Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you have a bad steering column and it's time to replace it? This part here on the steering column is connected to the steering wheel, and this part here connects to the intermediate steering shaft. When there's an issue with the steering column, you're going to notice all sorts of symptoms. When there's something wrong with the steering column, the first thing you're going to notice is noise. You're going to hear a clicking noise when turning left or right. You might hear a grinding noise. You might hear a clunking noise, and so on. The next time it is time to check your steering column, it is going to be binding. When you're turning left or right and you're having a hard time turning left or right and it feels like something is binding in the steering column area, it is time to check this part. The next sign is going to be excessive free play. Again, when you're turning left or right and it feels like the steering wheel is extremely loose, again, it is important to check on both ends of the steering column. The next sign it is time to check the steering column is that if you can't adjust the height of the steering wheel, for example, if you can't lower the steering wheel or raise it higher, or the steering wheel won't tilt, that is another sign it is time to check the steering column, because maybe there's something wrong with the mechanism. Also, when you raise or lower the steering wheel and the steering column won't lock in place for some reason, again, there might be something wrong with this part and it is going to require attention. The next sign it is time to check the steering column is that the steering wheel won't return back to center after making a turn. For example, if you're making a left turn, the steering wheel should naturally want to return back to center. And of course, you need to turn the steering wheel back to center as well. And if you're having a hard time returning that steering wheel back to center, it is possible the internal part of the steering column might be binding. The next sign it is time to check that steering column is that the steering wheel feels wobbly. If that steering wheel feels wobbly and it is making some sort of noise, it is possible that the bearing on the inside right there might be failing. Here is a close-up view of the steering column, and the reason why you're experiencing all the symptoms such as the steering wheel feeling wobbly, or you're having a hard time raising or lowering the steering wheel, or when you're turning your steering wheel and it is having a hard time returning back to center, that's because the first common reason is going to be caused by a torn dust boot. If that dust boot is torn, it is going to allow a lot of dirt to accumulate on this part of the steering column, and it can cause it to dry out. And of course, if this part is not properly lubricated, you're going to experience all sorts of symptoms such as having a hard time raising and lowering the steering wheel, or it might feel like the steering wheel might be binding as well. If that steering wheel won't lock and unlock, it is going to be caused by this part over here. So you want to make sure that there's nothing wrong with this part on the steering column. And of course, I showed you guys this part earlier, so I'm going to show you guys a close-up view of the bearing. You want to make sure that bearing is not falling apart, and you want to make sure grease is not leaking out of it. And of course, you want to make sure that there is no missing ball bearings. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.